Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a question A. So the question goes like this. If x is a normal with mean 2 and standard deviation 3, now describe the distribution of y equals to 1 by 2 x minus 1 and explain how do you find probability y is greater than 3 by 2 from the tables. So for this, first we'll simply ask you to read the question for a couple of seconds before we go to the question. So I'm expecting you guys have gone through this once. Now I'll start solving this question. So the question goes like this. We are given that x tends to n mu comma sigma square, where mu is equals to 2 and sigma is equals to 3. Now the distribution of new variable, which is y is equals to ax plus b, is also normal with expectation of y equals to expectation ax plus b equals to a expectation ax plus b, which is equals to au plus b, Now the variance of y will be equals to variance of ax plus b, which is equals to a square variance of x, which is a square sigma square. So we have to remember this. So I'll mark it as star with star. Now hence it is given, hence y equals to half x minus 1 tends to normal mu 1 comma sigma 1 square, where mu 1 and sigma 1 square are given by star with a equals to half and b equals to minus 1. So with a is equals to half and b is equals to minus 1. Now from here we'll take another page. So now from here we can do this. That is mu 1 equals to half into 2 minus 1, which is equals to 0, and sigma 1 square equals to half square into 9, which is 9 by 4. So we have this and this. Now from here, thus y tends to normal mu 1 comma sigma 1 square, where mu 1 is equals to 0 and sigma 1 is equals to 3 by 2. So we can write it this way. So from here we can write probability y is greater than equals to 3 by 2 is equals to probability z greater than equals to 1, which is equals to 0.5 minus p 0 to 1, which is equals to 0.1587. So in this video we have solved this question. So I'll just ask you to go through this question once. So this is how we have done it. You can go through it once for a couple of seconds. So this way we have solved the question. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.shouravsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials regarding mathematical statistics. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.